I see it in marketing, which just kind of kills me. I just want to, when I see it online, or these guys, other advertising saying, the cheapest in town.
Oh, yeah.
Lowest prices.
Lowest price in town. I'll beat any price.
Right.
Oh, that just kills us every time.
You might as well just be saying, give me all your poor, your huddle masses, right?
Bend me over,
and I'll pay all your bills.
Right.
Okay,
guys, please stop. If you have that on your truck, go take it off. If you have that on advertising, go take it off, because that is a race, and that is a race you do not want to win.
Ooh, well put. Exactly.
It is not a race a race to the bottom, which is what that is a race that you don't want to win.